The Seagull. We met on the beach purely by chance. He came back every day to eat from my hand. We chattered in ways we could both understand, perched on the rocks, feet in the sand. We were friends. He soared high above me, waving his wings. It was his way of bidding goodbye. I knew he would come the very next day. We got on so well, him and I. We were friends. Seagulls don't live quite as long as we do, so I knew it would come to an end. When he didn't appear one sunny morn, I knew what had happened to him. We were friends.